Well, I'm George Holly. I'm an ex-railroad man. I started to work on a railroad during the summer in high school, 15 years old. I made my first ride out of the mountains on a caboose in that year, 1943. Actually, here is one of the oldest farms, I guess, in the state of Tennessee. But Charlie Duncan came here in 1765. And he built the first cabin over here at Low, next to Ashley's, in 1765. It burned in 2 years, and he built this one we have here in 1767. And he had 11 kids. I don't know where he put them all. When we built this, within 6 months or a year, they started coming in here. And they've been here from all over the United States. A lot of the stuff in here, the majority of it is family, but I guess a greater percent of it is from the community. The people wanted to donate stuff to it and put it in here in their name. So when we tell anybody where it came from, we've got artifacts from all over Knob Creek. We've got uniforms from Civil War, Spanish-American War, World War I and II, down up to the Iraq Wars. People come to see them. Some people it takes 2 or 3 hours to go through, and then others can go through in 30 minutes, and that's it. That's all whether they're interested in it or not. Most people usually come want to stay about a half a day and then talk to you about it. It's just a thing that you get attached to and you don't want it separated. Now, if we could have divided it up to the 2 kids and the 4 grandkids, and they'd never be together again. But now we've got 2 daughters, and our daughter and son, and their kids. Each one of them had 2, so they're all interested, and so we've got it together, and we're going to keep it that far as long as we can.